Welcome to the tutorial for baby powder line dance, choreographed by a good friend of mine named Jorja. Let's get started. Start on the right foot, simple move. We're gonna walk and do a turn. Check it. Right, left, right half turn, coast the left, twist, twist, and roll. Left, right, left half turn, coaster right, twist, twist, and roll. Okay, I added a little bit more, but I know you can handle it. So everybody, I think you have to walk. When you do your walk with your right, is 1, 2. On the third, you move that right foot, you're gonna turn half turn. So step, half turn. A coaster step is your 1, 2, 3 move. 1, 2, 3. Check out my feet in the back. Coast the left. That means my left foot starts the 1, 2, 3 move. And I do that to stabilize my body coming out of that turn so that I can do the next move, which is twist, twist, and roll. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the back wall, starting with the left. Left, right, left half turn, coaster right, twist, twist, and roll. Tip. Your coaster step does not have to be wide. It can just be as simple as 1, 2, 3, twist, twist, and roll. Okay? Now, we're going to add on. So I'm going to start from the top and continue on. Take it again from the top so that you can practice. 5, 6, here we go. Right, left, right half turn. Coaster left, twist, twist, and roll. Left, right, left half turn. Coaster right, twist, twist, and roll. Step, left, out, left, left half turn, sway, sway, step, sailor, step, twist, and roll. Okay, let me walk through that. That next move, we started with the right after we did our walk back and forth and our coaster step. When we come back, we step on the right. That's going to be your anchor foot. You're going to use your left. You're going to go step back, out, step back. When you come out, you're going to do a half turn going to the right with your left foot leading you. Step, half turn, okay? Then you're going to use your right foot to stabilize you again with a sway. Right, left, okay? Now after you do that, you're going to do another 1, 2, 3 move called a sailor. Step, sailor, that was your 1, 2, 3. Step, 2, 3, step, 2, 3. That's your sailor move. So you see my feet in the back? Step, sailor, step with the right, turn to the left, and roll. That's part 1. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes progress. We don't strive for perfection. We just strive to get the dance and have fun and be in it. No stress, no pressure. So practice part 1 a couple of times. Now I'm going to show you part 2. So part 2 is right, left, right, left, right. Hold on, let me do that again. And let me do that from the end of part 1. That way I can get my beat right in my head. So I'm going to go through the whole thing from the beginning and then go right into part 2. Okay? 5, 6, here we go. Right, left, right half turn, coast the left, twist, twist, and roll. Left, right, left half turn, coast the right, twist, twist, and roll. Step, left, out, left, left half turn, sway, sway, step, sailor, step, twist, and roll. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, one turn left, left, right, 1, 2, 3, turn to the other wall. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, quarter turn left, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's talk about that. So part 2, we do a little hip sway. Hip, hip. And then we have a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They actually do a cross in the original choreography, but in case crossing is messing you up, just do hip, hip, 1, 2, 3. Okay? But in the choreography, they do hip, hip, 1, 2, 3. Either way, you're fine. okay? But 1, 2, 3 starts with the right. And then we're gonna do what we call a rock easy, a quarter turn. So rock easy is a reverse turn, which means you like doing like that. But we're gonna do 2. So we're gonna take that left foot, keep some play in your knee, quarter turn to the wall, 1/3, 1/4, step to the left, quarter turn to the back wall. Okay, that's how you do your rock easy. So if we're doing that move again, and I'm going to simplify it, right, left, 1, 2, 3, quarter turn, quarter turn. Now on the back wall, we do the same move, but we're going to start with the hips going to the left. Left, right, 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn, a half turn, going to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not reversing it, we're going forward, a forward turn if you will. Okay? When we get back to the front wall, we're going to repeat that sequence again with the hips going right. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, quarter turn, left. Left, right, 1, 2, 3, turn to the front. Now that was modified because in the original choreography, the 1, 2, 3 is a cross and they do a reverse turn the first time, and then the second time they do a walk around to the front. Now that might be a little awkward for some people, so I just make it easier for my beginners and just say, each of the turns just do like this. Very simple, okay? And that is your part 2. The next thing that you want to learn, I'm going to show you, is there's a little tag at the end, which is a combination taken from part 1. So it's not any new moves, it's just a different variation of how the move is executed. So you have 2 full rotations, okay, of what we did with part 1 and part 2. At the end of part 2 is where you're going to have this little tag that looks like this. You start with the right, out, out, right half turn, sway, sway, step, sailor, step, turn and roll. Notice it's nothing new, all right? The only thing that's different is that we go out to the side, out, with the right. And with the right, we step to do a half turn, step, half turn. When we sway, like we've been doing, we always start swaying to the right. Sway, sway, which is just the 1, 2. Then we go into our sailor move. Step, sailor, step, turn and roll. Left side, out, step, half turn. That time we step with the left and half turn back to the front. Sway, going to the right. Sway, sway. Step on the right, sailor, step on the left, sailor, step on the right, turn to the left and roll. And we're going to do it one more time with the right. Out, step, half turn, sway, sway, step, sailor, step, turn and roll. That is the entire walkthrough for baby powder. Take each step, little by little, beginners. Work on each movement until you're comfortable, then move on to the next movement and then add on. And I encourage you to practice one movement with the music. I'm gonna have the link to the song in the walkthrough. So what I teach in class is this. Let's just say that the first movement is the walk and turn. You play the music, and this is the only move you do for the whole song until you're comfortable. So this is the first movement, right, left, right, half turn, coaster, step, twist, twist, and roll, left, right, left, half turn, coaster, step, twist, twist, and roll. 5, 6, do it again, right? And you work that move throughout the entire song. That helps your brain remember the step, the beat, and what comes next in that move. Once you get that down pat, then you walk through the next move, right? Step, left, out, left, step, half turn, sway, sway, step, sailor, step, twist, and roll. You put the song back on and you practice just that move for the entire song. Then you put the song back on a third time and you put the first and the second move together and practice. If you follow that tip, you'll be able to get the dance. That's how I teach it in class. And I assure you, for everyone who's come to class, when we work it that way, tell them, ladies, we wind up having the full dance. And at the end, everybody's excited because when they started, they didn't think they could get the dance. And when we finish, hell, everybody's got the dance and y'all are looking really good. So that's my tip for this and any dance that is giving you a problem. Work the move, move by move to the music, and move on when you're comfortable. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you happen to be in the Gwinnett County area of Georgia, check us out at Rose Jordan Park on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Hope to see you soon.